Jean Stafford here and Miss Melinda Stafford, your neighborhood beekeeping education specialist with D&B Supply. Melinda here is holding a frame with some bees on it, and there's lots of drones in there. And it's fun because drones are the male bees. They have no stingers, so it's really fun to pick them out, put them in a little jar, and then the kids can hold them and play with them without any risk. Let's see if we can find one. Drones are the ones that have the really big eyes and really fuzzy thoraxes. Hold that real still, Medina. Let's see if we can find one. So here we go. So I'm gonna put this one in the jar.
Mom, I have more.
And now we've got a jar full of drones that Medina can play with without any risk of getting stung. Thanks for the help, Medina.
You're welcome.
Keep your bees buzzing, y'all.